Fascia board rotting because your gutters are leaking is a total nightmare that can wreck your whole roof line if you don't fix it quick. So, first off, you gotta check your gutters regularly to catch leaks early before they soak into the fascia boards. Clean out all the leaves and debris so water can flow freely, because clogged gutters are the main reason leaks happen. If you spot any holes or cracks, patch them up with gutter sealant, which is super easy and cheap to get at any hardware store. Make sure your gutters are sloped right, so water doesn't pool and spill over onto the fascia. When you're repairing fascia boards, use exterior grade wood filler for small rotten spots, but replace the whole board if it's really bad to avoid bigger problems. Painting or sealing new and repaired fascia protects it from future water damage and keeps it looking sharp. Don't forget to check the downspouts too. They need to direct water far away from your home's foundation. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, calling a pro can save a lot of headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fascia board rotting from gutter leaks is ignoring small gutter problems until they explode into big leaks and wood rot. That's a quick way to blow your home repair budget. Another common error is patching fascia without fixing the actual gutter leak, which just means you'll be back in the same spot soon, wasting time and money. Lastly, folks often forget to properly maintain gutters by cleaning and inspecting them seasonally, so dirt and debris build up and cause leaks that damage fascia boards. Staying on top of gutter care stops this from happening. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for stuff like gutter repairs or fascia board replacement without any stress. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.